that a man should leave his father and mother and be forever united to his wife. The two shall become one, no longer two, but one. And no man shall divorce what God has joined together.
Sa piling mo, ako'y buhay, napapawi ang lungkot at lumbay. Walang iba para sa'kin, at habang buhay kitang mamahalin.
Ipinapangako ko, pagkakaingatan ko ang iyong puso. Hindi ka na mag-iisa, pagkat ako ay lagi mong makakasama.
Sa piling mo, nadarama ang walang patid na pagsinta.
Gigi, wear this ring as a sign of my love and loyalty. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Grant us, O Lord, to be one mind and one soul, from this day forward, for better or for worse, for richer or for poorer, in sickness and in health, till death do us part.